Looking for the best dryer in 2025? Whether you're after smart features, sleek design, or top performance, we've got the top picks lined up to help you make the perfect choice for your laundry routine. Stay tuned as we dive into the best dryers this year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. LG 7.3 cubic feet Smart Electric Dryer. This ultra-large capacity rear control. Electric dryer delivers reliable performance and thoughtful features in a sleek package. Its intuitive control panel includes a clear LCD and touch-sensitive buttons for easy navigation through drying cycles like normal, AI dry, and bedding. Moisture sensing helps avoid overdrying by adjusting cycles based on fabric dampness, though mixed loads like jeans may need extra time. Steam technology effectively smooths wrinkles, though it lacks additional options like a sanitary steam cycle. The LG ThinQ app adds smart functionality, allowing remote control and cycle monitoring, though some advanced features require app use. Alex found it especially effective for large loads and towels, with quiet operation and strong drying power. For everyday use, it's a smart, user-friendly appliance with great energy efficiency. Number 2. LG 7.4 cubic feet Stackable Smart Electric Dryer. It combines a sleek design with user-friendly features for efficient, customizable drying. Its intuitive control panel includes 12 cycles with clearly labeled buttons and a responsive touch display for options like steam fresh and antibacterial. Moisture sensing technology adjusts drying times automatically, preventing overdrying and saving energy. Terry found her loads finished faster than expected, with gentler care. Steam functions help reduce wrinkles, refresh fabrics, and sanitize soft items like pillows and toys, perfect for delicates and dress shirts. Smart features via the LG ThinQ app allow remote monitoring, controls, and diagnostics, making laundry more convenient. With a spacious 7.4 cubic foot drum, it dries large loads in under an hour, while AI sensors personalize cycles for optimal performance. Number 3. Amana 6.5 feet Electric Dryer. This electric dryer offers excellent value with 11 drying cycles and moisture sensing technology. The dial controls are easy to use, and the clear labels make selecting cycles simple. This dryer efficiently dries clothes without overdrying, thanks to moisture sensing that stops the cycle when clothes are dry. While bulkier loads may take a little longer, most users find the dryer dependable overall. It doesn't feature steam technology, so it may not be ideal for delicate items, but the cycles do help reduce wrinkles. The lack of smart technology is a downside for some, as it can't connect to smart home systems or offer remote control through a mobile app. However, it remains a solid, affordable option for everyday drying needs. Number 4. GE 4.1 CU Feet 13 Cycle Electric Dryer. This is a compact and efficient solution for small spaces like apartments. At 24 inches wide, it offers 13 drying cycles tailored to different fabric types, ensuring your clothes dry perfectly without risk of overdrying. The intuitive control panel is easy to navigate, with special cycles for delicates and heavy loads, and an audible end-of-cycle signal for convenience. Moisture sensing technology helps save energy and protects fabrics by adjusting drying time based on dampness levels. While it lacks steam technology and app integration, users appreciate the simplicity and reliability of this dryer. With a 4.1 cubic foot capacity, it dries clothes quickly and quietly, making it ideal for everyday laundry needs in smaller living spaces. Number 5. Samsung BESPOKE 7.8 cubic feet Stackable Smart Electric Dryer. This ultra-capacity ventless hybrid heat pump dryer combines innovative features with efficient performance, making it one of the best large-capacity dryers available. Its AI smart dial and clear LCD screen simplify cycle selection, while multi-control allows control of a stacked washer from the dryer. The advanced moisture sensing technology, AI Optimal Dry, uses 9 sensors to adjust drying times and prevent overdrying, preserving fabric quality. Steam technology helps remove wrinkles and freshen clothes without ironing, making it ideal for delicate items. With SmartThings Wi-Fi connectivity, users can control the dryer remotely, schedule cycles, and receive alerts. Its 7.8 cubic foot capacity is perfect for larger loads, and the dryer is ENERGY Star certified, ensuring energy efficiency and reduced drying time. So, which one's the best? After a closer look, the LG 7.3 cubic feet smart electric dryer takes the crown with its exceptional smart features and performance. It's the perfect blend of efficiency and innovation.